Everyone, today we are dealing what is a zero of a polynomial and we can find the zero of a polynomial. As you know very well about polynomial. So for example, if we can consider p of x. You know very well polynomials are denoted by this one, p of x, that polynomial by using in the variable x. If we should write p of y, that is the variable, the polynomial it is in y. So maybe whatever you need, you have to take that one. Okay children? So here I am taking p of x. This p of x means polynomial in x variable. We can consider p of x is equals to x square plus 5x plus 4. This is one of the example for polynomial. Here observe p of x. Here we are using only one variable x. And moreover that here the degree of this polynomial is 2. Highest degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Now let us go into our topic. If we can substitute if x is equals to 1. That implies p of 1 is equals to, if we can substitute in this polynomial, in this expression, x is equals to 1 every p of x, then we are getting, in the place of x, we can write 1 square plus 5 into x, 5 into 1 plus 4. 1 square means 1 can be multiplied 2 times. 1 ones are 1. Plus 5 ones are 5 plus 4. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is equals to how much? 10. Therefore, if x is equals to 1, we are get p of 1 is equals to 10. So, here we can say that the value of x, p of x at x is equals to 1, then we are getting the value is 10. If we substitute in the same polynomial at x is equals to minus 1, then now let us observe whether it is same or different values we are getting. P of minus 1 is equals to same polynomial x square in the place of x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1 plus 4. Same example, but here I am taking positive value, here I am taking negative value. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. When we substitute plus 1, we are getting the value is 10. If we are substituting x is equals to minus 1, we are getting minus 1 whole square. Means minus 1 can be multiplied 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. 1 ones are 1, minus into minus. Both are the same signs. So we are getting plus. So plus 1. 5 ones are 5. Observe here plus symbol, minus symbol. Both are the opposite symbol. So we are getting minus plus 4. So here minus 5. This is only the negative value. Remaining these two are the positive. 1 plus 4 is 5. Remaining minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. When if we substitute x is equals to minus 1, then p of minus 1 is equals to 0. Both are the same process. But observe here we are getting the value is not 0. But in this case we are getting the remainder is 0. Here we can say that it is a value of p of x. But here we can say that minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial of p of x. Clear it is? Here we are not getting the remainder 0. That's why we can say that here just x is 1 is the value of p of x. But in this case we are getting the value is 0. So that's why this minus 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. So like this we have to find out the 0 of the polynomial of any polynomial. In general we can say that the zero of a polynomial p of x is the value of x. P of x, zero of a polynomial of p of x is the value of x, and p of x becomes 0, means p of x is equals to 0. So the formula to find out the zero of the polynomial is always p of x becomes 0. This is the most important in this chapter. By using this condition in exercise 2, we are solving the zeros of the any polynomial. Shall we start exercise 2? Okay. In exercise 2.2, the first bit is about find the value of a polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 0, minus 1, 2 and minus 1 by 2. Here we are observing given polynomial is this one, 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So consider the polynomial is given that p of x is equals to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Now I am explaining this fourth problem. Remaining these you can only do it. Shall I start? So at x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Fourth one solution, x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Then our polynomial is p of, in the place of x we replace minus 1 by 2. x by minus 1 by 2. Every p of x means 4 into, in the place of x I am writing minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3 is equals to 4. Minus 1 by 2 multiplied 2 times, means here 2 is there, so multiply 2 times. Numerator 1 1s are 1, minus into minus becomes plus, by 2 2s are 4. So here the value is 1 by 4. Minus into minus becomes plus, 5 1s are 5, by denominator is 2 plus 3. Observe here 4 into 1 by 4. 4 and the denominator 4 will get cancelled, then we are getting value is 1 plus 5 by 2 plus 3. First of all observe these two, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 plus remaining is 5 by 2. Now take here also we denominator is 1. Do LCM. 1 2s are 2. Cross these and multiply these one. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 5s are 5. 8 plus 5 is equals to 13 by 2. So 0. Therefore, the value of P, P of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 13 by 2. Okay children, like this you have to solve the remaining. Now I will start the second problem. Okay. Now second question, just simply they are asking about find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 values for each of the given polynomial. Just we can find the values only, not the zeros of the polynomial. So here total 5 problems are there. Out of these 5 I will explain this fourth problem. Okay, fourth one is p of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. So first of all p of 0 solution. P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 means we have to substitute 0 ones, 1 and 2 we are getting some value. P of 0 is equals to, in the place of t we are replace t by 0. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 into 0 plus 1 is equals to also 1. 1 ones are 1, but it is minus, this is plus symbol. Both are the opposite sides. So we are getting minus. Next, P of 1 is equals to, in the place of t we should substitute 1 minus 1 into t. In the place of t we write 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 0 into 1 plus 1 2. 0 2s are 0. And the last one P of 2. So in the place of t we substitute 2. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So like this we have to substitute one time 0, one time 1, one time 2. We are getting P of 0 value, P of 1 value, P of 2 value. Therefore P of 0 is equals to minus 1. P of 1 is equals to 0. P of 2 is equals to 3. Observe here, these are the values of this polynomial. But here it is, we are getting the value is 0. So here 1 is called the 0 of the polynomial. That is the difference between these two and this one. Okay, now going to the next bit. Problem. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. Here some of the problems are here. We have verified whether the given values are the zeros of this polynomial or not. So now we are doing this. So I will explain the first problem. P of x is equals to 2x plus 1. So given that P of x is equals to 2x plus 1. Now we should substitute x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So at x is equals to minus 1 by 2 means we replace in this polynomial x by minus 1 by 2 all of this polynomial. Then we are getting x is equals to minus 1 by 2. P of, in the place of x I can write minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2x means 2 into x means 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Observe here numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Then we are getting only minus 1 plus 1. Here the values are same 1 and 1. But observe this sides. Both are the opposite sides. Means we can do subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Observe here. The value of minus 1 by 2 is 0. So if we are getting the remainder is 0, that value is called as the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. If we are not getting remainder 0, then x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is not the 0 of the given polynomial. Same like that we are going to the next one. P of x is equals to 5x minus pi when x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Same that. So I will explain the second one also. P of x is equals to P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. Now we are calculate whether it is 0 of the polynomial or not. So x is equals to, they are given minus 3 by 2. Replace the x value by minus 3 by 2. P of minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5. In the place of x we write minus 3 by 2 minus pi. Now here it is not possible to cancel with 2. So multiply. 5 3 is 15 minus 15 by 2 minus pi. It is not possible to do addition of these two. It is a minus 5 by 2. Here it is pi. Here we are not getting the remainder 0. P of minus 3 by 2 is not 0. We are not getting remainder 0. Something value we are getting. So that's why x is equals to, therefore x is equals to minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of a given polynomial. Understood? If we are getting remainder 0, we can write 0 of a polynomial. We are not getting remainder 0, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Same like that we have to do third to remaining. X is equals to plus or minus 1 means one time you should substitute plus 1, we will get some answer. Next we will substitute minus 1, we will get some answer. Comparing that to, if you are getting 0, write 0 of a polynomial, otherwise 0, not 0. Here minus 1, do twice. Y is equal to 0, substitute 0 here. X is equals to minus b by a. In the place of x, you should substitute minus b by a. X square minus 1 here. One time you should substitute minus 1 by root 3. One time you substitute 2 by root 3. Same like that. Okay children, these are, you can only do it. Thank you.